So now we talk about settings application. You can find it here. Start with company profile. So here's everything is simple. Company name, logo, default currency, country, city, address, bank details for invoices, and phone numbers, site, and email. This settings is often needed for some documents and especially for documents. I don't know any other cases. So you have to fill it correct and check before using system. So next step is users. Users, it's users of system who can access with different roles. You can set permissions for them. For example, let's add new user, tester, name. Email. Phone can be empty, date of birth as you wish. And here is interesting. So better use permissions for defining access of user. As you can see, these permissions are for different applications. So just using control, you can select different applications for access. For example, catalog, orders and data, and for example finance application and online. Then you must enter valid username and can generate password. Then save. You just added new user to your system. So every manager of your company must be added here. Back to list. As you can see, here is a list with simple filter, and here is some useful options. For example, if user not active, user cannot access to system. So if you want to activate or deactivate some user, just press this button, activate, and then deactivate. Also, you can find here useful information about last login and IP address. Please note, this settings application must be accessible only for general manager or some supervisor. Don't let access to this application for regular managers. Also useful options is signature and avatar. signature is using for signing documents. You can, for example, if your managers, if you voucher containing signature of manager, you can add it here. Avatar is not using actually at the moment, but in the future we are planning to add it to online. So if you want to change a password of some user, let's say for deactivated user, you can just enter it here or press this button to generate new password. That's all. Also, you can activate it here by pressing this checkbox. Save and back to list. So that's all about settings.